Why do judges still wear robes and wigs in court? Imagine walking into a courtroom and seeing a judge dressed in a long black robe and a wig made of horsehair. You might wonder why they still wear such traditional clothing today. Well, the history behind these garments goes back hundreds of years. Judges' robes started in medieval England around the 1400s. Back then, they looked similar to the fancy clothes worn by royalty, showing the judge's official status and connection to the monarchy. The robes were made from rich materials like silk and ermine to highlight the importance of the role. Over time, the style changed, but the robe remained a symbol of authority and fairness. Wigs came into use in the mid-1700s, especially in England and some former British colonies. They were inspired by European aristocratic fashion, especially King Louis XIV of France, who wore wigs to hide hair loss. In England, wigs became a sign of status and respect within the legal world. Judges and lawyers wore wigs to look formal and to set themselves apart from everyday people. These wigs were often made from horsehair and helped keep the court's atmosphere serious and respectful. The reason judges still wear robes and wigs today is both practical and symbolic. The robes and wigs create a clear visual difference between judges and other courtroom participants. This helps everyone understand who is in charge and who is making decisions. The formal dress also encourages respect for the legal process, making the courtroom feel serious and dignified. Wearing these traditional clothes connects modern courts to their long history, showing that justice is a steady and ongoing institution. Some courts have started to question the need for wigs because they can seem intimidating or old-fashioned to the public. In some places, judges are allowed to skip the wig or wear it only during special cases like criminal trials. But overall, the robes and wigs help keep the courtroom environment respectful and focused on justice. They reminded everyone that the courtroom is a place where laws are applied fairly and consistently. So, when a judge wears a robe and wig, it is more than just clothing. It is a symbol of the authority, history, and dignity that uphold the rule of law.